Hello students, welcome to our official YouTube channel of Pasmum Goswami College of Engineering. Myself Professor Ganit Khandwala from EC Department, Pasmum Goswami College of Engineering. In this lecture we are going to learn about the expansion of memory size. Expansion, that means we have to expand our size of the memory. So यदि हमारे पास छोटी साइज की मेमोरी है तो अभी और हमें बड़ी साइज की बड़ी मेमोरी साइज की रिक्वायरमेंट है चिप के लिए, तो हम छोटे को बड़े में कैसे कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं, दैट वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न हियर इन दिस लेक्चर. ओके, सो एक्सपेंशन ऑफ मेमोरी साइज. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, before studying we have to also study what is memory size, how we can define the size of the memory. So basically in the memory size, what the main function of chip, the main function of memory chip is to store data or words. So if the chip is capable of storing m words or we can say locations, number of locations in the chip, there are m locations or words with each words having n words. हर एक लोकेशन के पास उस हर एक लोकेशन की साइज, हर एक वर्ड की साइज क्या है, n बिट है. सो द मेमोरी size can be defined by m cross n. Here n is what? Word capacity. Word capacity we can say, or the number of location. N. What is n here? N is the n bits, the size of the word. So we can define the size of the memory by m cross n. Commonly available memory chips are, or common values of number of words per chip are, how many locations are possible, commonly used in the chip are 64, 256, 512, 1024, 2048 and 4096. These word capacity chips are commonly used. And by the word size we can say n. It is either it is 1 bit, 4 bit or 8 bit. These are commonly used, having commonly word size. Okay, so how we can get a larger number of word size or locations? By using the smaller size memory chip. So we can connect, we can cascade, by cascading the smaller size, by cascading the smaller size of word size or word capacity, or we can say location, we can form the higher size of memory chips. So by cascading a number of chips of smaller size, we can get memories with having large number of words or larger word size. Okay, so you got it, how we can define memory size, what is m, what is n. Now for the memory type we have to also select the address line. How many address line we will require, that we will study here. So for possible m location, we have m location, so we can say words. How many address lines will be required? So that is denoted by P. That is related by two raised to P is equal to capital N, where N is the location and P is the address line. So for example, if we have n is equal to 16 locations, or we can say words. Then how many address line will require? 2 raised to 5 is equal to 16. So here what is P? P is equal to 5. So address line required, is, here 2 raised to 4 is equal to 16. So the address line required is 4. So to address 16 memory locations, we will require 4 address lines. Now, from this relation, we can say that we need 4 address lines to have 16 different location combinations, 16 different combinations from 0, 0, 0, 16 locations. That means 0, 0 hex to 1, 1, 1 hex. So to address these locations, we require address line is equal to 4. Okay. Good. Now, we are seeing here the memory size is defined by m cross, memory size is equal to m cross n. So if we want to expand this, then how we can do? Either we have to expand this or this. This is m, for m means what? Locations. And n means what? The word size. Okay. If we expand by expanding number of locations or words, is n. By expanding number of locations or word, that is n, we can expand the size of memory. Either second one, either expanding the size of the word, that is n. By expanding word size, that is denoted by capital N. How we can increase, how we can expand the size of the memory? Either by expanding the number of locations or word, that is n, or by expanding the word size bit, n bit, that is denoted by capital N. अब हमें पता चलेगा कि just we will take one example. We will take one examples. Expand memory chip what is the size of memory is here? 16 by 4 into memory chip 16 by 8. हमारे पास छोटी वाली है मेमोरी चिप, उसको हमें एक्सपांड करके यहाँ पे क्या उसकी साइज 16 by 8 बनानी है. So we are going to here expand the word capacity. This is M, this is N. So what is changed here? We have available size of memory 16 by 4, that is we have word capacity is 4, that we have to convert into 8. So we have to expand the word capacity capital N. As I told you earlier, we can connect in cascading. By cascading two memory chips or number of memory chips, whatever is available for us, we can get the larger number of or larger size of memory chip. We can expand our memory size 16 by 4 into 16 by 8 memory size by following the two steps. The step one is we have to find out the number of chips required. Decide the number of chips required. So how we can do this one? How we can find out the number of chips required? That we'll see here. Now suppose available size and required size. So if required size of memory chips is what? Capital. If a required size of memory chip is n, small n, and available size of memory chip is capital N. Then number of chips required, that will be small n upon capital N. Here n, small n, that means what? Required size. Required size is what? 8 here. So we will write here 8. And available size of memory, that means available is what? 4. 16 by 4, that means 4. So we write here 4. So we will require 8 by 4 is equal to 2. So 2 memory chips are required. So हमें पता चल गया कि हमें कितनी चिप की जरूरत है. We have drawn here. This is chip 1 and chip 2. Now step 2. In the step 2, what we have to do? Connections. See here, the available size and the required memory size in both M is same. That means locations are same. If locations are same, then our address line requirement will be also the same. So we will require in both chip 1 and chip 2, that both will be the same. So here 16 locations है, तो हमें कितनी address line की जरूरत होगी? We will require 4 address lines. So I have written here, I have drawn here A0 to A3, 4 address lines for both, and the same address line is going to here chip 1 and chip 2. In both chips, chip 1 and chip 2, the same address lines are going. So that is connection. So that is I have drawn here. Now the output or data lines of the chip 1 and chip 2. What is our requirement? 8. It should be, our output should be having, what capacity is 8. So this D0 to D3 output and this D0 to D3 will combine and we will get D0 to D7, that means 8-bit data. So the output of the chip 1 will act as a LSB of our output or required data, and output of the chip 2, that means D4 to D7, will act as a MSB of our 8-bit data. So that is clear. This is the chip selection, read and write signal. Both signals are going same into both chip 1 and chip 2. So here in this way we have converted this 16 by 4 size into 16 by 8. So this both chip will act as one single chip. ये दोनों चिप मिला के क्या सिंगल चिप की तरह अब काम करेगा. So we have converted 16 by 4 memory size into 16 by 8 memory size. I hope you have got everything about the expansion of memory size. And if you like this, please share it, watch it, and thank you for watching my video. Thank you very much.